Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Dan Ashendorf and I'm gonna do a little demo for you for all the various applications on AppJam. You can see we've got 8 of them. It's a real good way to be saving on subscriptions because a lot of these, like the autoresponder and the webinar and the funnel builders and all these sort of the drive and the video editor and such like, even design with Canva and the like, they're all monthly subscriptions. So we're looking at saving you, getting rid of all those very high monthly subscriptions. Let's start with the design. So let me just log into there. So the way that this works, guys, is you create your own design by either creating new or just opening a photo that you have. I'll show you where to get these photos from because we've also got a whole bunch of copyright free images. That's one of the products on one of the apps, rather, on AppJam. So if I go with, say, open a photo, so I can create one, but what I can do is do all these effects, brush, and I can resize, I can draw, I can add text, shapes, I can add stickers, and so on. So there's a whole bunch of effects I can have on the image here. Let me just do something a bit. What I'll do, guys, is first of all, let me get rid of Skype because someone's pinging me there. And this is the second app, but I'm just going to grab a picture from here. See, we've got literally millions of photos, images, and vectors, and so this is in French. I need to get it into English, but anyway, photos, images, and illustrations. So if I look for, say, dog, so say we go with this little puppy here. So what I can do is download. Let me just download that. Now what I'm going to do, so remember that all of these are, that's one of the apps. So I'm going to go back to design and I'm going to be creating a new design. So create new, and let me just open. There you go. And then what we can do here is add filters, get rid of this, and can resize it, crop it, transform it, draw on it, add text, shapes, stickers, frames, corners, all these sort of things. So you know how that works. And then we just save it, save as a template, or open it for other requirements that we may have. Excuse me. Right, so that's design. We've seen the stock. Then we have an autoresponder here. So just ignore this bit here, that's just a demo account. But what we do here, you can have unlimited lists. And so what you do is you create a list, give it a name, from email, and then what you do is you add your subscribers. Now it's unlimited for the unlimited version. We do have some limits on the front end. You can send from here, send domains, sending identity. So it's all pretty self-explanatory. You can run your campaigns. Just create a campaign, either regular or plain text, which is HTML. And just bear with me here, guys. There's someone pinging on the other laptop. One tick. So that's the autoresponder. Here we've got a webinar app, which again really saves a lot of money with regards to running webinars. So I'll come back to this later. And got funnel builder, so you don't need to go ahead and spend hundreds of dollars a month on some of the large funnel builders out there. You know which ones I'm talking about. They can cost hundreds of dollars a month, and you can see here landing pages. So the way that this works is go to landing pages first. You can see templates. So what you can do is just go to the builder, give it a name, and there you go. So you got the template here, and then you can make your own changes. You can see there. Change the colors and such like. So it's just like any other page builder. And you can see you can play with the layout, typography, backgrounds, border and shadow, and all these things, and you can see what it looks like here as well. Add your logo. So that's the way that this works. So we go back to here. So, and you can see that it's already connected to your chosen autoresponder as well, meaning that you capture the lead, so you can just download the leads from here. Also, you can have as many columns as you want, and payment buttons. So you can see all the features here, or you can just build one from scratch. This is your desktop view, mobile view, iPad view, and mobile view. So that's the page builder here. And of course you can add any templates you want as well to it. Lead Finder finds you leads in any niche. So if we go to any keyword, say dog, location, say New York, say we're in the dog niche, and radius 10 kilometers, search. This takes a minute or two, so we may come back to this. That run, and then drive, so you don't need to pay extortionate amounts of money for the likes of all the various apps like Dropbox and the like. They can cost a lot of money once you start getting to the paid subscriptions. You don't have to do this here. And then we've got video editor. So what we do with regards to the video editor is we import the media, add the intro and add the outro, and then we just render it. See, this, as I said, it's going to take a few minutes. So with that said, hopefully that gives you a feel for how the software does by way of an overview. I'm just going to wait for a bit for the leads to come through. Bear with me. Okay, right. So I just jumped back into here. The leads are here. You can see them. So you can either save the contact, or you can send an email straight from the dashboard. So that really to do with which business you're in, what you're trying to achieve. If you're, for example, into local services, local marketing, this is ideal to build your prospects and such like. So with that said, hopefully that's given you a good feel, idea, and sort of knowledge of what AppJam is about, and thanks very much.